Here I am taking some more questions of the point of contact related, and conditions here are different given to you. Find the coordinates of the point on the curve. Again, we are given a curve at which tangent is equally inclined to this axis. Now let us take what does it mean. We are given some axes, say x and y, and suppose a curve which is at which the tangent is equally inclined. If a line is equally inclined to the axis, that means this situation may be there when this angle and this angle with x-axis and y-axis both are equal. This may be the case when this, we are again having here the same angles, as it is 90, so it is 45, 45 each, and there may be the third case and fourth case, etc. In all these cases, the tangent is equally inclined to the axis. So we can certainly have this angle is 135 or this is 45. In this case, you can make a note in your notebooks. Whenever the line is equally inclined to the axis, both the axes means, then the slope must be plus minus 1. In this case, this is 135 degree and tan 135 degree is minus 1, and in this case it is 45 degree with positive direction of x-axis, so plus 1. Now let us move to the question solution. Again you want to find the point of contact, so let point of contact be px1, y1. This point lies on the curve, therefore x1 root plus y1 root equal to 4. Let me write this equation as 1. Now we will be having given curve as root x plus root y equal to 4. So differentiating with respect to x, we will find the slope plus 1 by 2 root y dy by dx equal to 0. So from here dy by dx becomes minus 1 by 2 root x into 2 root y, this cancels out. Now we have just studied this condition, so we will simply write as tangent is equally inclined to the axis. Therefore its slope must be plus minus 1. And at point P, m is yours minus y1 by x1 root, which is given as plus minus 1. I will take the two cases separately. Minus y1 by x1 root as 1 or minus 1. Now in this case you can see y1 root is your minus x1 root. Now you know that in real numbers, square root of a real number can't be negative, so we'll have to reject this case. Now in this case negative cancelled out, so y1 root is your x1 root. From here substituting in 1, we get 2 times root x1 as 4. So from here x1 root as 2, so x1 will become 4. So as x1 root equal to y1 root, therefore x1 equal to y1. So from here y1 is also 4. So required point on the curve is 4, 4. Now moving to the next question, we can see find the points on the curve. Again, curve is given 9y square equal to x cube, cubic curve, where the normal, in this question I have taken normal to the curve that makes equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. First of all, we will understand this condition. If a line is making equal intercepts on the axis, I can take the figure like this, in which there is a line which is making equal intercept. Say this is A, this is also A on the axis. So again it is 90, and because the opposite sides are equal, so these angles must be 45, 45. In the same way, I can also take on the other side like this. and here again it is A, and so A, and again the angles as 45 or 135 in the positive direction of x-axis. So we can also make the note, whenever the line makes equal intercepts with axis, then slope is always plus minus 1. In this case I will take as this angle is 135 or 45. Now, solution for this question. Again you want to find the points. So let the point of contact be Px1, y. Now, the point lies on the curve, therefore 9y1 square is x1 cube, first equation. Now, given curve, we will differentiate to get the slope with respect to x. That becomes 18y dy by dx as 3x square. From here, dy by dx as 3x square or x square by 6y. Now at particular point say P, dy by dx at the point P will be having x1 square by 6y. Now as condition given, I point to question as normal makes equal intercepts. So I can also find slope of normal from here as minus 1 upon m. That will become minus 6y1 by x1 square. Now this makes equal intercepts, therefore this slope will be plus minus 1. From here we can get y in terms of x as y1 as plus minus x1 square by 6. Substituting in 1, I can have 9 times x1 square by 6 plus minus is x1 cube. So from here x1 power 4 36 by 36 as x1 cube, 9 4s are. Now simplifying, we can get the value of x1 as 0 or x1 as 4. Now substituting back in 1, we get 9 times y1 square is 0, so y1 is 0. Next case, when x1 is 4, I will substitute 9 y1 square is 4 cube, that is 64. So from here y1 square is 64 by 9, and so from here y1 as plus minus 8 by 3. So required points on the curve will be this is 0 0, then 4 plus minus 8 by 3 required points.